Hi everyone, I'm Ravindra. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to create a blog using Google Blogger. First, let's see what a blog is. A blog is a website where people write and share articles or posts. These posts usually appear in the order they are published, with the newest ones at the top. Blogs can be about anything: personal stories, hobbies, advice, or news. People can also leave comments on blog posts, making it a way to share ideas and connect with others. Let's create our own blog. First, open your web browser and search for blogger.com. Then click this Create Your Blog button. Now you have to log in with your Google credentials. So enter your Gmail address and password to login. After you successfully log in, you will see this section. In here, you will be asked to fill out a few important details. The title is the name of your blog, so choose something that reflects your content. It could be something like My Travel Adventures or Tech Tips for Beginners. So I'm going to enter the title of my blog as Tech Tips for Beginners. Now you have to select a blog address for your blog. Blog address means your blog's URL. When you type your blog address in the search bar of your browser, you will see your blog. Make sure your blog address is unique. I'm going to enter my blog address as Easy Beginner Tech Tips. Below this blog address, you can see it says this blog address is available. So Blogger will tell you if the address is available or if you need to pick something else. After you successfully entered your blog address, click Next. Then you can choose a display name. After your blog is created, you will land on your Blogger dashboard. You can view your blog from this View Blog option. This is the blog we have just created. Now I am going to change the design and add some content to my blog. Click on the theme option on the left side of the screen. This is where you can choose a template and customize colors, fonts, and overall design of your blog. So choose any theme you prefer and click Apply. Then go to your blog and refresh it. After that, you will see the new theme has applied to your blog. Now there is nothing on my blog. So let's create our first blog post. On your dashboard, click on this New Post button and it will create a new post. Now you can enter your content here. First, I am going to add a title. Then I will add some paragraphs here. Now I want to add an image between the title and the first paragraph. I'm going to choose a technology image from Google and include it on my blog. You can simply right-click on this image and copy-paste it to your blog. So I'm going to paste that image here. You can customize your font sizes, styles from this navigation bar. I'm going to center align this title and increase the font size. I am going to justify my paragraphs. Once you are happy with your post, click this publish button to make it live on your blog. So you can see this post has successfully published on our blog. Now let's go to our blog and refresh it. This is the post we have just created. Now let's change this background image. For that, we have to customize our theme. So go to Themes and click on this Customize button. To change this background image, we have to click this Change Image and select any image from here. Or else we can upload our own image. So I'm going to select a technology image from this section. In this section, you can see there are more advanced options to customize your blog. So you can choose colors, various styles, and make your blog more attractive. After you have completed the changes, click this Save icon. In addition to your blog posts, you will want to set up some essential pages like About Me and Contact. To do this, go to the Pages section on your dashboard and click this New Page button. In here, you can add your content and click Publish to create new pages. You can go to the Settings tab on your Blogger dashboard to customize some important settings for your blog. Here you can change things like privacy. Who can view your blog? Do you want it to be public or private? And also you can set your language. If your blog contains adult content, you can show warning to your blog readers. So it's worth exploring this section to make sure your blog runs smoothly. From this Layout tab, you can include more sections to your blog. If you don't want to display some sections, you can simply hide those sections from this icon. After you have successfully set up and has a few posts, you can share it, and viewers commented on your blog. You can view those comments via this Comments tab. And also you can run through this blog by connecting your Google AdSense account. For that, you have to go to this Earnings tab. You have to connect to your Google AdSense account if you already have an AdSense account. If not, you can simply create an AdSense account to earn from this blog. So we have successfully created our blog using Google Blogger. There's so much more you can do as you go along, from adding custom domains to monetizing your blog. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.